John Deere Ztrak mowers are designed to mow efficiently and deliver a smooth, level cut. For best results, the mower deck must be leveled side to side and front to rear. This video shows how to make these easy adjustments. To do this job, you'll need a mower deck leveling gauge, wrenches, a tire pressure gauge, and heavy work gloves. To start the job, park the mower safely on a hard, flat surface with the engine shut off, parking brake set, and key removed. Ensure the tires are correctly inflated. Check your operator's manual for the exact tire pressure and important safety information. Raise the mower deck to the highest or transport position. Place the mower cutting height pin at the preferred cutting height. We'll use 3 inches for this demonstration. Lower the mower and verify that the wheels are not contacting the ground surface. Position the right mower blade so one end is facing to the right. Measure from the outside cutting edge of the blade tip to the level surface. If the distance is not 3 inches, adjust by turning the rear lift rod nut clockwise to raise the mower deck or counterclockwise to lower. Repeat this procedure for the left blade. If an adjustment of more than 1/8 inch is required, adjust left and right sides alternately. A large adjustment on one side can move the other side in the opposite direction. Next, check the mower front to rear level. Turn the right blade so one end points straight forward. Measure from the cutting edge of the blade tip to the level surface of both rear and front end of the blade. Repeat these measurements for the left blade. If the front blade tips are not 1/8 to 1/4 inch lower than the rear blade tips, adjust mower front to rear level. Loosen the rear nuts on the front lift rod. Then, turn the front nuts clockwise to raise the front of the mower or counterclockwise to lower it. Tighten the rear nuts after the adjustment is complete. Verify that the mower will latch in the transport position. If it does not, turn both rear adjusting nuts counterclockwise equally to lower the rear of the mower until the latch will engage. Recheck front to rear level and adjust if necessary. Adjust the mower wheels to the lowest position where they are at least 1/4 inch off the ground. The wheels carry the mower deck over any higher areas in the lawn to give a smooth and even cut. Now your mower is ready to mow. For other mower tasks, check out the other mower maintenance programs. Proper maintenance is the best way to make sure your mower starts quickly, runs efficiently, and mows a beautiful lawn.